Welcome back. Today we're diving into AI tools that can transform your business. Whether you're a startup or a big team, these tools are game changers for efficiency, profits, and customer experience. So grab your notebooks and get ready to unlock serious business success. Let's go. First up, ChatGPT, a content creating powerhouse. It handles blog posts, social media updates, email campaigns, and even video scripts in a fraction of the time. Imagine the hours you can save, allowing you to focus on other critical aspects of your business. With ChatGPT, you can produce high-quality content swiftly and efficiently. This means you can keep up with the fast-paced digital world without breaking a sweat. More content means reaching more people and driving more sales. The more you engage with your audience, the stronger your brand becomes. ChatGPT delivers high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. It understands the nuances of language and can tailor messages to fit your brand's voice perfectly. Imagine having a 24/7 copywriting team without the hefty price tag. No more waiting for drafts or revisions. Everything you need is at your fingertips. This is the power of AI, folks, and it's available to you right now. Embrace this technology and watch your business soar to new heights. The future of content creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Next, Grammarly Business, not just a spell checker. This AI tool ensures clear, concise, and error-free communication. It improves your writing style, tone, and clarity, making your message resonate. Whether you're a solopreneur or a Fortune 500 company, communication is key. Polished proposals and professional communication can help you close deals. Attention to detail matters, folks. Nobody loves crunching numbers, but Xero makes it easy. With its intuitive interface, even those who aren't tech-savvy can navigate it effortlessly. This AI-powered accounting software automates invoices, reconciles transactions, and generates comprehensive financial reports. It's like having a personal accountant working around the clock. It saves you time and money by identifying tax deductions and flagging errors before they become costly. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your finances are always accurate. Think of it as a virtual CFO without the hefty salary. It provides strategic insights and financial advice tailored to your business needs. Switching to Xero can make your accounting more efficient and save you thousands. It's a no-brainer, people. Join the countless businesses already benefiting from smarter accounting. Delivering exceptional customer experiences is non-negotiable. HubSpot's AI-powered features help you understand your customers better. Personalized email campaigns, automated segmentation, and real-time chatbots. It's about creating meaningful connections and providing personalized recommendations. HubSpot's AI can skyrocket your conversion rates by identifying hot leads. That's the power of AI-driven customer experience, folks. We live in a data-driven world where every decision can be backed by solid data. And Tableau makes data analysis not just easy, but also incredibly intuitive and accessible. This powerful tool transforms complex data sets into easy-to-understand visuals, making it simple to grasp even the most intricate details. Tableau's advanced AI algorithms go beyond basic analysis to uncover hidden patterns and trends, providing actionable insights that can drive your business forward. You don't need to be a data scientist to harness its power. From optimizing inventory management to reducing waste, these are just a few of the many benefits that come with using Tableau. That's the transformative power of data-driven decisions, folks. With the right tools, you can turn data into your most valuable asset. There you have it. 5 AI tools to revolutionize your business. From boosting profits to enhancing customer experience, these tools are game changers. Embrace AI, experiment, and find what works best for your business. Now get out there and crush it.